All right, since this is a utility knife, I feel it is incumbent upon me to at least remove the removable blade. So let's do that. I'm gonna try to keep my hands as much out of the frame as possible. So removing the razor blade is a rather straightforward process. Simply find a matching hex head and one and two. Obviously, you have two settings. You have your, oh, I want my razor blade really far out. I want my razor blade a little bit further back, but nothing crazy. And also, it always comes with spares. So that is a plus. All you have to do is screw it back in. We're back in business. An actual review of this thing is rather tricky because you're not looking at it like any conventional knife. It is a knife that is comparable to something like an Elementum. However, you are looking for a utility factor. And as far as utility knives goes, this is probably the sexiest one I've seen. But I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments down below. The whole frame is compact, it's easy to use, and it looks even better. As far as the clips go, you can do this ambidextrous. You can also put a lanyard in there, which is awesome. The only criticism I might have for the blade is that it doesn't feel as heavy as something like another Civivi knife. But that being said, it's not the same knife, so that doesn't even matter. So this knife is utility and form rolled into one, which means sharp, crisp like an apple. I don't know where that came from. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this knife and this video in the comments down below. If you want to, hop in the Discord. We're talking about knife mods currently in there. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.